Hello guys, and welcome back to Igniting Illumination. And today I'll be showing you how to draw a bird. So, first of all, we want to start out by drawing a circle here. So, let's go ahead and do that. And circle, if you want, you can flatten it out a bit at the top here. That's going to help us later in the drawing. However, it's not a requirement. So, there you go. Once you got that circle done, okay, so once you got this circle done, then you can start by drawing an oval next to it. So the oval is going to be here, pretty close to the circle, and I'll show you what it'll be used for later, but for now, draw an oval here. It's going to be around this area. Remember, it's going to be pretty close to the circle, so like this. And I'll show you what it will be for in just a while. So there. Now you got the oval and the circle. So now what you want to do is for the circle here, the peak of the bird is going to be coming out here. So let's draw that. There's going to be some hairs poking out with it as well, so let's draw it. The peak is going to come out like so. It's gonna have a little bend down here, and it's going to go back in like so. And let's make that a bit longer, like so. And there we go. And there's going to be a line here to indicate there's a mouth here. And now the bird comes up here, goes here like so, and it's going to continue just above, a little above the circle like so. Then it's going to actually start curving down like this. And this is why we had the oval here. It's going to be connected to the oval here, which is going to be the part of the wing. So the wing is going to start here, connects here. The back of the bird connects to wing, and what we see is the wing now. So the wing is going to start moving down like this. And the wing is going to be kind of cone shaped, so it's going to be around here, make a little stop there, and then it's going to come back and connect up here at the other end of the oval. So we can start actually drawing from the oval here and connecting it to the bottom of the wing here. So now that we've got that in place, we can erase the oval here. Like so. Then you got the wing here, come down. Then from behind the wing here is going to be kind of the tail of the bird is going to emerge from here, continuing down here, finally connecting, going back up, and then back down for one last dip. It's gonna connect to this line here, like so. Now here for the other part of the bird, It's going to come down here as following the circle till about this point here. So until this point here it follows the figure, but then it's going to start going down like so, just a bit, and then it goes in like this, and from here it's going to kind of curve down in a circular fashion till about this point beneath the wing. So it's going, and it continues a bit here. Draw these lines, and this we actually went just a bit too far, but I'll show how to fix this. So here for the wing, it's going to come back up like so, and then from here it's gonna curve into the belly here. This part here is where the legs are going to be, and there we go. And so the first leg is going to be around here. It's coming down like this. Then it's going to extend down like this, with the claws coming out here. There's another one following right there, and goes in like this a bit just to form the other claw there. Then it continues backwards actually like this to form another claw at the back there, to finally get back like so. The other leg is going to be a bit more down like this, and it's going to form one of the toes here. Then goes back out for the other one, goes a bit in, forms another claw, and then it goes back down to form the claw at the back here. And then it curves back up there. So there you go. And now what we want to do here, so the eye is going to be around the center of this circle that we drew in the beginning, but it's going to be a bit more to the left. So once you get about the circle, middle of the circle, just place it a bit more to the left, and you got the eye. So now with the bird's eye, the particular bird that I've been looking at and studying has kind of just a highlight here in the eye, so we're going to do that. Just a highlight, and the rest is black. So like this. And once you got that done, you can start erasing the guidelines for the circle here. So let's get that done. And now part of the bird was gray, the other was white, so we're going to indicate the change of color by drawing a bunch of lines like this. So it's going to go past the eye a bit here. It's gonna go down, following kind of the pattern of the belly here. And it curves in finally to the wing of the bird there. Let's just add a few more lines here. Like so. And let me just erase the guidelines a bit more. Now for the wings of the bird. Here, around here where the wing curls up here, there's going to kind of be these, I don't know, these kind of shapes going around. Continue to about there, and from them there's going to like emerge some feathers, and they're going to just be like this. And this continues all the way. And the last one's going to be just kind of going to go all the way down here and curve back up there. Now for the rest here, it's going to be a bunch of lines kind of coming in here. So do a few of these so you can see. And at this side here is going to kind of curve towards it and then curve in like so. And let me just erase this straight line coming in there. Like so. And then there's going to be this kind of shading here on the bird, which is going to be just a bunch of shadow lines like this that kind of fade toward the feather here. And from the peak here is going to be more of these lines kind of going like so. From the eye here, they're going to kind of fade to the center of the eye. Like so, and then start fading back out. And let's see here. Like so. And along the line, top of the bird here, around the head, it's not going to be, lines aren't going to be kind of just like so stale. They're kind of going to be feathers coming out here, so let's make that change. let's darken the line that shows the wing here. So that it doesn't like look like it's not a wing. And the same thing goes for this line here, all around till here actually. So let's go ahead and add that in. Like so, and then there's going to be a shading along the side of the bird, so let's draw lines but make them a bit darker here along the side of the bird, so around here, the way till here. To the top of the bird, like so. And now this tail here is also going to have some shading here along the side edge here. There's going to be some lines just jutting out from here, and this here is going to actually be colored gray, darken the peak like so. And let's see, is that everything? Am I forgetting anything? Okay, so that will be it on how to draw a bird. So thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, leave a comment on what you'd like to see next, and thank you for watching here on Igniting Illumination.